Good day. So today we go do physical and chemical changes. So I no wan make you dey cram dis thing. So just see wetin we get here. We go explain am with wetin we know. E go dey very very interesting, trust me. So for physical changes, we say dis chemical. So some pipu bin dey talk say since na physical, wetin suppose dey here na spiritual changes, but no be so. Alright, okay, for chemistry, whenever we talk about changes, na when change don happen. You understand? When something wey be don change form, wetin we dey talk about physical change or chemical change. You understand? Now, for physical change, if matter or the state of a substance don change, the physical state don change, but the chemical composition, the thing wey come together to make up that thing never change. Na physical change be that. But for chemical change, if both the chemical state, sometimes sef the chemical state fit no change. The chemical state fit dey for, you know say we get three state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Sometimes e fit still dey for liquid, e no change to gas, e no change to solid, e no change to even aqueous form, but na chemical change. That means say the constituent, the chemical component wey bin dey before don change to a new one. So we call am chemical change. We go use our garri processing as example. All of us know how to process garri. Abi if you no know, you fit use dis avenue make you learn am. When we wan process garri, first of all we dey first get wetin dey call am? We first uproot the garri. When we don uproot the cassava, we go uproot the cassava, peel am. At that first point wey you don peel the cassava dey in solid form. The cassava dey solid. We go come peel am. When we don peel am, e still dey in solid form. Nothing don change. We go peel am, we go grind am. That grinding, you know say the cassava bin dey like dis before. After we don grind am, e go come turn to aqueous form. Something wey nearly dey like water. E no be water but e no be solid. Aqueous na we dey call am. E dey in molten form. Okay, so if na like dis, changes don occur. E don change from solid state to an aqueous state. You understand? But the kind of water wey dey here na the same amount of water wey dey here. Water never comot. The kind of minerals wey na the same minerals wey dey here. Even the hydrogen cyanide wey dey here never change. Nothing comot. So dis kind of changes, wetin we dey call am na physical change. Why? Because the chemical component, the things dem wey come together never change. Now, if dis thing now, as we don dry am, we go put am for bag dry am. You understand? When we don dry am, the thing don dey for days, you know say fermentation go occur. You know wetin be fermentation? When yeast don dey act on starch. Normally, the end product of fermentation na ethanol, our ethanol and CO2. Na the main product of fermentation dem be dis. You understand? But before dis fermentation go reach dis level, since na garri and we tie am, we no expose am. You understand? E go first come from starch branch to glucose. The thing wey go do dis thing na one enzyme wey we dey call amylase. You understand? A simple sugar. E fit be any simple sugar but usually glucose. You understand? So if you don branch here, we fit convert dis glucose and no be the same chemical formula we start. Rearrangement don occur. So as arrangement don occur, we say na chemical change. You understand? So when some days wey you don tie the garri, im don dey there, chemical change don occur. The level of cyanide too go don reduce. Chemical change. And also the thing wey make am chemical change be sey you cannot go back to the original form of the cassava. You cannot go back again. So that is it. So we say na physical chemical change. Now for dis process, only dis process of cassava production, you don see sey chemical change and physical change dey occur together. But na for you to fit separate am. Now when you don fry am, to the frying of the garri, as you dey fry the garri for fire, we dey use heat dey fry am. The more the heat dey introduce, the more dis hydrogen cyanide dey reduce. At a point sef e fit reduce to the minimum wey you no fit notice am. You understand? So we say from dis cassava to dis place wey you don grind am na physical change. As you don tie am, leave am for some days, chemical change don dey occur because of wetin? Amylase don dey act on am to convert am to glucose, simple sugar. You understand? So from there to we don fry am, from dat state wey im don dey to simple sugar, wey you don filter am. As you dey filter am, you don remove the blocked part. The blocked part, you don reduce am to powder. Wetin happen for dis state na wetin? Na physical state. From dat block wey don block, you use filter am, im don turn to powder. Nothing change. Na physical change. You understand? Den as we don fry the garri like dis now, chemical change don occur. Alright.